Hey, baby. Come on. Hey, Mac. Mac.
Sounds kind of apocryphal. Get his attention.
Hey, Mac. Well, I'm recording him. I'm just recording how cute he is. He doesn't like the camera.
No, he doesn't like the camera. It's okay, no one hurt you.
That's my mom. She's old.
But not as old as your dad.
You're funny, Mom. You're the funniest person I know.
Am I?
No.
Huh. Well.
Well, say bye.
Bye.